Welcome back to this video of TechExpress. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Zendrop for Shopify for making some drop shipping. Now, if you're tired of the 3-week shipping times from AliExpress or angry customers, you need to switch to Zendrop, because Zendrop is a massive marketplace of beta suppliers that integrates directly with the Shopify. It offers fast US shipping. Something else that it can do is that it can help you with a custom brand and a set and forget, something that I truly liked a little bit about the Zendrop. Now, to download Zendrop, you can do either two things. You can go into zendrop.com, or you can just try them for free directly into the applications, into the apps that Shopify has to offer to us. So I'm going to show you how to get started. The first thing to do is to connecting Zendrop to the Shopify. So if you already created an actual Zendrop account, you can go directly here into zendrop.com, sign in, or create an account, which is totally for free. I'm going to choose my actual email account. Let's go for continue. The basic information will be imported right away if you just sign in directly from Google. So when you have successfully downloaded your actual account, when you have this in time here, you might be now have access to the actual Zendrop. So to connect this directly here into Zendrop, usually it must be appearing something like this. So there's two ways of how we can do this. You can just go directly to the option that says here, connect the store I already have, and hit for continue. Hit into the authorized, and all of that information go for the option that says authorized. The second option is to go back into Shopify. I'm going to hit directly here into applications. You can hit into the option that says add. And here into add, what you can do is to scroll all the way down, look out for the option that says discover more in the Shopify App Store. This will take us directly into the official Shopify App Store, where you can find tons of applications that can helping you to get started here into the app. So what I do is to click directly and here and just type Zendrop. This will be displaying here the Zendrop dropshipping. So make sure that this one is for free, has the developer of the Zendrop, and has a strong rating. So here I'm going to hit into the option that says install. Once I have successfully clicked into that element, it's going to be asking us to install the actual application directly inside our Shopify. So let's hit for install. And here you see that we have here the approved subscription plan based usage, the app spending limit. So you'll be charged based on how you use this application to a maximum of 79 per 30 days. So if you're okay with that, just go for the option that says approve. And then you hit for the option that says authorize. And just like that, you will be now inside Zendrop from your Shopify. So what I'm going to do is to just click directly inside that element. Let's say that I choose a credit or a debit card. I add my credit card really easily. Well, now it's going to be asking us to select our store niche. Let's say, for example, games and hobbies. I head over for continue, and usually it helps you with winning products for the month, which is something that's going to be really awesome. For example, let's say that I choose my retro gaming console, the ultra play projector, and this element, right? So I choose all of those. You can reset this if you wanted to when I click directly into this element, or you can just deselect the elements that you would like to see or not to see, right? So I have the option that says reset. I go for, let's say, for example, there's 3 products. I scroll a little bit down, and there we go. So go for published to the store, and you're all set and ready to take it off. Let's go for the option that says let's go. There you go. Now that we have connected here, we wanted to go look out for the fast shipping products. So this is the fun part, the sourcing. In the sidebar, you want to click into the option that says find products. So always filter for products that ships from the United States, because this ensures your customers get their items in 3 to 7 days, which drastically reduces the actual refunds. So here into all the categories, let's say for example that I focused only for electronics like this, or you can focus for toys and games. Electronics, done. Ship from anywhere, I only go for US. There we go. So when you find a winner, you click into the option that says add to the import list. We have already added a few elements, but in my case, what I wanted to do is to add something a little bit else. For example, let's say a vanity chart. I selected add to my products, just like that. This is going to be appearing now, the new element that says review and published. Basically here into the review and published elements, basically what you need to do is just to make sure that it actually appears the review of the product and the published of the product. When you have successfully imported your product, it will be appearing right directly here inside your store. And just to do that, you just need to reload your Shopify store, go for the option that says products, and here into products, it should be appearing now my products added automatically. Something is going to be appearing really well. Now here I have my product, let's say language English original, the product name. You can choose product text, or you can even let the artificial intelligence help you with the product name and the product type. Here's the category, and here for the option that says publish to my store. Really easily. Now the importing and the pricing. So if you head over to the import list, you can here edit the product title, description, and the images as I did before. Now there's an actual variant tab. You'll see the product cost and the shipping cost. Usually here where it says the option that says my product, you can see it says the option that says review and published. So if I hit over for review and published, I can change the description, I can change my variants, and I can change the images. Basically, the best thing that you can do is to put a low profit, since your let's say your website is going to start from scratch. Let's say for example that my profit is only $3 per sale, which is really great because I don't want to focus a lot into earning a lot of money. I wanted to cost only to focus into making some sales, truly great sales. I'm gonna hit for the option that says publish to my store, and there we go. Then we can head over back, I reload the page, and I'm actually good to go. Now the automated fulfillment, this is the game changer, because if you're on the Pro or the Pros plan, you can turn on the auto fulfillment. With these on, as soon as a customer buys your product into the Shopify store, Zendrop automatically charges you the card, sends the order to the supplier, and ships this. This means that when we have make the actual sale of this specific product, we're going to be receiving that money and use this specific money to make the payment for the actual Zendrop. So automatically, after the sale, we're going to be earning, in this case, in my case, almost $3, which is going to be really awesome. So you can even upload a custom logo for a thank you card that Zendrop will put inside every package to make your brand look a little bit more premium. You can focus all of those directly here into your account, into the upper right corner, and look out for the option that says your profile. Here what you can do is to customize your own profile, and even you can try to customize your own multi-store. So there we go. Basically, this is just the basic of how we can get started using the great Zendrop, and you can enable the custom tracking page directly into your store, so people can track your their actual product. You can upload your own logo, and here is the brand color, something that is going to be truly helpful when it comes to making some sales directly in there. So this is how we can actually get started with these great elements. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys, if you want to see more great tools how we can get started directly here inside the Zendrop. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and hopefully with all this been said, we can see you guys next time.